So this is how I make pasta. See, this is very delicious, and you have to try this one. Yummy. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm gonna to make this pasta. Very easy recipe with the tuna, the black chef. So we're gonna to open this one, and you can see, yes, you already know what is inside. So, ow! So, seperti ini. So we're gonna to cook this one. First, I need to boil this pasta. Boil with the water, of course. So the camera will be this side. So I also use the, okay, wait. In front of the camera, you need to be perfect. So fat, guys. Okay, we put some oil in the water, some salt, oil, salt, and water. Okay, we wait till it's boiling, and then we add this one. Just wait. Cut off. La, 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 la. When we wait for the water to boil, we add this one and the garlic. Big onion, I'm gonna to use half. We cut off, yeah? We chop it. Chop it. Okay, like this. And also the garlic, some garlic, 2 or 3. This need to be chopped. Okay, done. Look at the water is boiling, so I'm gonna to add the spaghetti or pasta. I'm gonna to leave this for 7 minutes and small fire. Okay, we're gonna to go to the garden and harvest some herbs to add here. Okay, let's go. So here I have some rosemary. Nice, mint, coriander leaves, parsley. We're gonna do serving with the flowers from the cabbage. So, ready to go. Guys, here I have some butter. Just put it in the pan. So because this one already have oil, just put it here together. Look, so much oil. We have this one, rosemary. I'm gonna to chop it small. Smells so good. Okay, we're gonna to add the big onion, garlic, and rosemary in the pan. This way, and you can see the pasta. It is not yet. So here I also have a basil, dry basil, yeah. Let's add a little bit. And we're gonna put the tuna. to put the chili flakes. Chili. So much chili. I love spicy. Pepper. Some salt. Just put it here all. I'm gonna check the pasta. I think the pasta is already okay, already done. Yeah. Okay, this one we off. Let's go. Done. Off the fire. I don't have cheese, guys, so I'm skip the cheese. This is already done. You can add more pepper if you like, but for me this is already done. So this is how I make pasta. It's makkelijk. You can add lemon also, and I don't have lemon, so I'm just gonna to squeeze some lime. And to put this one here first. We serve it. Oh, look nice, beautiful, and smell good. I eat a lot, guys, so with some lime. I don't have cheese, so I skip the cheese. So I'm gonna to put it beautiful with some flour. So it's beautiful like me. So here, some mint, some. So guys, this is the result of my tuna pasta. Bismillah, kita makan. That's it, guys. Yum. Yummy. Come closer to you so you can see. This is very, very delicious, and you have to try this one. Yummy. Nice. Perfect. The mint, the rosemary and the herbs, super. That make it not smell. That made it very fragrant and smell good, guys. And super delicious. And the rest, yeah, I'm gonna to eat it again later because I need to clean up the kitchen. It's so much mess. See you next time, guys. Hope you enjoy watching this video. If you do, like, comment, share and subscribe. If you don't like, it's okay, just watch it. Okay, see you, bye, thanks for watching, bye guys. Honestly, guys, I already 2 times eating this pasta and cannot stop eating it. And so you have to try to make this at home and let me know. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Yum. Wow, super.